Doctors and lawyers struggling to pay bills. By 2026, a side hustle won't just be an option. It'll be a lifeline for everyone. Meet Jamie, a nurse who spent years training only to see her paycheck barely keep up with inflation. Then there's Mark, a lawyer drowning in student loans while his firm slashes bonuses. And thousands of others from all walks of life are waking up to the same harsh reality. Salaries are stagnant. Costs are soaring. The job for life dream, dead. By 2026, experts warn, automation, rising inflation, and unpredictable markets will hit everyone, even the highest paid professionals. The middle class? It's shrinking fast. And the truth is, relying on one paycheck will be a dangerous gamble. But there's a twist. Side hustles, once seen as extra, are turning into essential income streams. Even doctors and lawyers are hustling to stay afloat. Why? Because the world is shifting. Healthcare cuts, law firm layoffs, and the gig economy boom are forcing people to diversify income. Jamie invested $100 into an Etsy shop. In just 6 months, she turned it into $10,000, more than her annual bonus. Mark started tutoring online, earning $1,000 a month while keeping his day job. And these aren't anomalies. By 2026, side hustles will be the norm, not the exception. Experts say if you don't have a backup income by 2026, you could be left behind. Because the old economy, it's disappearing. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom, security, control over your future. If you think you're safe with your high-paying job, think again. The world is changing, fast. The question is, will you adapt and thrive, or watch opportunities slip away? Like this video if you believe everyone needs a side hustle now. Comment ready if you're starting yours this year. And subscribe, because next I'll show you 3 side hustles doctors and lawyers swear by to make real money in 2025. Don't miss it.